every single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Beauty in 4C family. My name is Caroline. If you are new to my channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell next to it. That way you'll not miss out on any of my future videos. So I'm back with another video. Today will be an unboxing video of my Boxycharm. It's the first time that I'm doing this on my channel. This is how the box looks like. I did subscribe to this beauty subscription box about, let's say, this month of September. It's the first time I've done such a subscription. They have like you pay $21 for the whole box. It's a monthly subscription box. I mean, it renews every month, and you pay $21 and you get products worth 100 plus more than $100 worth of products. So well, it's not a bad deal, it's a good deal. And I must say that I like the products that I got this time. It was the first time, and I must say that I like the products. So I'll be showing you what I got. This will be a very short video because there are not many products. So let's get started. When you receive the box, this is how it looks like. Then I'm just gonna be opening it. I did check what products I got, and I also tried some of them. So this is how it looks like when you open it. The theme is all access. There is this card that you get when you first open the box, and then they've listed down all the products that they've put in the box, plus the total cost of each product. Then I got variation number 1. It's right at the corner here. So the first product I got is the Hank and Henry Longwear liquid eyeliner. This is how the packaging looks like. I hope you can all see that. Then I've used this. Let's say I've tried using it, and this is how the tip looks like. It's not very sturdy that like you'd expect. It looks, I don't know if you can see, it's not very sturdy. It's very difficult to apply, I must say that. And this is how it looks like. Let me just swatch it. That's how it looks like. So I'll just continue trying until I master how to use it, but it's hard. It's very hard to apply this. And then the other product I got is the $1 Billion brow pen, the microblade effect brow pen. This is how it looks like. This is the tip. The tip is not bad. That's how the tip looks like. Then it's black. They say that they've written here that it's dark, but it's black. I have tried it. It's not so well. I don't like black brows. I prefer a dark brown, not black. So I'm gonna try it as well. So the cost of the $1 Billion brow pen is, let me just check. It's $18, and and it has a shelf life of 6 months, just 6 months so I must use this before 6 months elapses. I'm gonna try and do that. So I forgot to say that the Hank and Henry liquid eyeliner also has a 6 months shelf life, so I'm gonna also try and keep up with it, although it's very difficult to apply. And then the third product I got is this one. Hope you can all see that. It's Dr. Brand's Hydrobiotic Sleep Recovery Sleeping Mask. So it's supposed to hydrate your skin, moisturize, and also reduce redness and signs of irritation. The cost of this product is, let me just check. It's $52. Oh my, that's a lot of cash. It's very expensive. I just hope it works the same, but I've heard good things about this brand. This being the second the second product I've gotten from this, being the second product I've gotten from Dr. Brand. I would love to really see how it works. So it's still sealed. I have not yet opened it. Once I open, guys, once I open and use it, I'm gonna like update you on how it goes. So stay tuned to see how I find it. Those are 3 products. Then the fourth product this is the fourth product I got, and this is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. This is the packaging. Pretty, it's very beautiful packaging. I like it. Look at it. It's very cute. And then I don't want to blind you guys with them. So these are the colors of the palette. They are not so bright, except for this emerald, this one that is on this side. Well, it looks pretty cool. I do not like very bright colors for eyeshadow, or which I rarely do. I only own one eyeshadow palette from LA Colors, this one, and it's pretty nude, just how I like my eyebrows to be. So it's good. It's a good one. It has very nice colors. So the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette costs $29. Well, it has pretty nice colors, so I'm gonna try it out and create some eye look very soon. So please stay tuned for that as well. So the fifth and the last product I got is this set of brushes from Moda Pro. Yeah, I guess they are called the Moda Pro 5-piece deluxe eye kit. So this is how it looks like. I don't think I'm gonna open this one because I have a set of brushes for doing my eyes, so I'm not going to open this now, but they look very cute. Just look at how the finishing looks, especially around here. I also think that they are very soft. I just hope so. I've seen people who've received such brushes and they really like them, so I hope I'm gonna like them too. But most likely I'm gonna be giving them out to my sister. So those are the 5 products I got from Boxycharm this time. This being my first time, and I love the products. For sure, I do love them. Except for the shelf life of these 2. The rest have a longer shelf life. 24 months with this one. This one is 12 months. These 2 go for 6 months. I don't know about makeup brushes, but I think you should just replace them as if you see that they're like worn out or something. And one thing that I've noticed about the makeup brushes is that they are 100% vegan and they are cruelty free. They have not been tested on animals. So I'm really excited to whoever will receive this. I'm excited for her. I'll be giving them out to my sister. so I'm sure she'll love them. So those are the 5 products: the mask, the eye kit, the 2 eyebrow kit, eyebrow pencil, and the eyeliner, then the essentials palette. This one is very cute. So that's all for the unboxing. I love the products. I was to get, when I was signing up for Boxycharm, they had a free product to give for the new subscribers, or rather, yeah, new subscribers. So I was to get Maker Hydro Mist powder, something like that. So I've seen Jackie Naturals loves that product so much. I was expecting to get it because they said they'll give me that as a free gift for subscribing to Boxycharm. They did not do that, but they did send me an email saying they're gonna send it.